Yeah, good afternoon, Prakhar. How are you?
Sir, I am fine, sir. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great, Prakhar. So, Prakhar, I am here to take a honest feedback of yours regarding True Studies classes. So, first of all, I just want to know in which standard you are and in which school you are.
Sir, I study in St. Karen's Secondary School, which is in Thogol, and my standard is 6th and section is G.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so Prakhar, could you please tell me when you started taking classes from True Studies?
Sir, near the starting of February, when my final exam was about to come,
Yeah, so hi Prakhar, may I know from you that in which structure you are getting the classes with the help of True Studies? Basically, just I want to know how you are getting the classes from True Studies.
sir, I get physical classes on every Tuesday alternative days, in which
Okay.
the teacher comes to my house and
Mhm.
teaches me. On the other hand, every Monday alternative days,
Mhm.
my test and discussion sessions conducted by virtual teacher.
Okay.
So these tests are conducted on the basis of whatever physical teacher taught me. So
Okay.
in this way, I get sufficient amount of practice material.
Okay.
After giving the test,
Mhm.
discussion session is conducted in which a virtual teacher clear my doubts. There is also one spoken English class which gets conducted once in every week, which helps me improve my communication.
So,
Yes.
could you please explain me about your experience about your virtual tutor?
Yes. So first of all, he takes tests. So that is a very good thing because before studying from true studies, Manish sir just teaches me and go. He does not take any test and things like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, and sir, in this, trust is takes test also and a discussion also. So, if I have some doubts, so I can clear it in discussion. So, this is also a thing I like very much.
Okay, it means you are getting more and more practice materials before
Yes, sir.
appearing to your main school examination. Okay,
Yes.
and your doubts are getting clear or not with this
Yes, sir.
test
My
and all?
doubts are
Hmm.
getting clear. Like, sir, today only there was a test in my school. Sir,
Mhm.
I did very well in that.
Okay, that's great. Congratulations. So,
Thank you.
other thing I just want to know about the spoken English class and the Olympiad class, which has been conducted and getting conducted in the groups. So, can you tell me experience about those two classes also?
Sir, like in the English spoken class, sir, he tells us to like how to talk in English and grammars and sir, the body language, like when we see, we need to make eye contact and smile.
Okay.
And sir, those all things that sir helped me a lot actually.
Mm-hmm.
And sir, in Olympiad,
Mm-hmm.
sir, it was also a very nice thing. Like we do a discussion. Like it's not like we are studying. It's like we are discussing about something. So, sir, that's also very good.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you, Prakhar. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day. Bye.
Have a nice day, sir. Bye.